What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to episode 5 of the renovations and the big HQ update. As you can see behind me, there's been quite a lot happening, and I know we've been a bit quiet lately, but that's because a lot's been going on. Alright, so last time in the episode, yeah, bloody hell, mate, I'm trying to make a YouTube.
Mate, and I'm just trying to do my job.
No, you're not.
There's a YouTuber around here.
Look, he's like shitting himself because the big boss has walked out. Alright, nah, in all seriousness, we have done a lot since the last video. I honestly can't even remember where we finished up last time. But as you can see, we have fully painted the front building here. We've got our new signs up that look unreal. Let's go inside and see where we're at, eh? Whoa, look at that. So we've got all this new lighting, we're all up and running. We've started operating out of the new showroom, guys, so feel free to come on down and check it out. We've still got a few little things to do yet, but as you can see, since last time we are leaps and bounds ahead. We've got our new cabinetry in, we've got our window that's all sorted. I really rate the lighting setup that we've done here. It's come out just as I pictured it. But yeah, we've got our all our new cabinetry's gone in. We're waiting on the stone counter to come, which is going to take a while. Apparently is looking like it's going to be mid to end of March, so we're a wee ways away, but we've had to make do with a bit of a temporary top. And yeah, obviously we've got our sick new neon sign up there. I still want to do like some really cool graphics and TVs and things in here just to bring a bit more substance in. And but yeah, we're getting there. Heaps done. But let's head on out to the back and continue on, eh? I meant to vacuum the roof, mate. What are you doing?
Felt like it.
Just felt like it. Can you do the chimneys when you're finished? You guys might be able to move in here soon.
Well, that's what I'm thinking. I'm like, let's get in here. This could be our room. We should do something like that. He runs out there with.
There'll be no tapping of Phil's feet.
What's this? Is this where we pass the Chico rolls through?
It's gonna be glowing in there, just like me. That's sick. Not bad.
Fucking nice.
How good?
So good.
Pablo Escobarius. He's moved in.
Not far from it.
Is today the day, Pablo?
It'll be at some stage today, yeah.
Oh my word. What's happened? What's this?
My new mattress arrived, that's what happened.
It's like
I always
Christmas.
wanted a pink one too. It really like brings out the colour in my eyes.
What you guys think?
How exciting.
Is that one of those stand desks?
It can be. Does all of the positions.
I've heard they're really good to sit at, eh? Come and smell the smells of Ant Brothers, Phil. I didn't do it, but it smells awfully suspect around the ladies' toilet. It's, I don't know. I think we might have discovered a bit of a scent leak in this joint. Don't know where it's. Oh, here's the culprit. Do you care to explain yourself, mate?
No.
Who's this operator? He's operating, isn't he? I reckon he might be the culprit for the strange smells coming from the ladies' loo. Hang on. We need to put Jordan's mind at ease. We might have discovered where the number 2 smells come from. Drew wasn't lying. It's coming from the tyres. I need a second opinion if we've actually narrowed this down. I have a whiff of that. That's definitely it, hey?
Oh, yeah.
Have a whiff. Do you reckon this Drew took a crap in there? The Riffin boys. Why do they call it RFN, Lincoln? What do we got? This is where the magic happens, people.
Yep.
This is where you place an order online and it magically gets into this package and to your door. We're looking a bit tidier here. We've done a lot of moves around. We've got our parts bays all sorted. It's been a bit of a colossal trying to recover after Christmas because it was so hectic. But we're finally starting to find our legs again, and things are slowly starting to find their way into a more permanent home. What does RFN stand for, Drew?
Racing fears nothing.
Really friggin' nice.
Really, there we go. He's got it. Really, he was being polite for the people of YouTube by saying friggin', weren't you?
I don't want to get demonetised.
Demonetised.
The brand new Ace S Pro Titanium. We're putting some Series 3 rear cargo racks and some twist throttles in there as well.
You've even given this person another sticker.
Mate, we treat all of our customers. Oh shit, no, we redo that one.
Redo this one. Pockets are looking pretty empty at the moment. He's just come back from a Balinese holiday.
Too many bintags.
To wrap it up, we really have just got a bit of gardening left to do at the front, a few little detail bits and pieces, but other than that, office is up and running. Let's go and take a look and see what the other half are up to, hey? How many colours are there in the rainbow? All of them.
There is, because it's a spectrum.
It's a spectrum.
Yeah, they blend into each other. You can taste it apparently as well, according to Skittles. Corey's always wanted to taste a rainbow, haven't you?
Oh, mate. Just take a moment to acknowledge Paul's pet here.
Man, I reckon I don't know why I'm not the main graphic designer around here, eh? Look at this as well. I'm also working on, this is the concept art. Oh, we can't really let too much of this.
No.
This is top secret. Don't show this on the buddy.
Oh, don't you worry about the Taipan, mate.
I am a snack.
Would you like to say a piece for the people of the YouTube? Oh, impeccable. Here is the marketing office. As you can see, we have the fine furnitures.
Welcome to the marketing room, designed by me.
Can we take a moment to appreciate the Sean Scott photography?
By our local legend, Sean Scott.
Pretty much all done and done here. It's looking schmick. Got a few little, I don't know what we're going to do here. We need to figure that out, Jordan. I don't like the feng shui has been let down here. If you got any wise ideas for what we can do here, make sure you drop a comment below. Yeah, stay tuned for the grand opening party. We're going to figure something out. We're just going to make it happen. We're going to get some food trucks. We're going to get some fresh new merch by then, hopefully. And we're just going to send it, aren't we? If you want to know more, make sure you comment below if you are keen on attending. And yeah, we'll send it. And I think that's a wrap for episode 5. And stay tuned for episode 6. And I think that will be the end of the renovations, hopefully by then.